Good evening and welcome back to my channel. It's the next part of the Polo project. So this car was supposed to go in for MOT. It was booked in tomorrow, but I've had to cancel it, and this is the reason why. Oh, just unlock the steering. And now you can see why the money light's on, which is an instant MOT failure, so it's totally pointless at putting it in if it's going to fail. So we need to address this problem. It's not all bad, as you can see. The aerial turned up and I got it fitted. I'm getting good reception on radio now. Anyway, back to the problem at hand. Alright, I've got the laptop up, I've got some software installed, and I've got the diagnostic cable connected. Just turn on the ignition. We'll see if we can we'll restart that program. We'll restart the application. Let's see if this works. And it's already found 4 faults. So we'll just show the faults. Map and the lambda sensors. Let's see if we can clear those codes. And that seems to have done it. We'll just scan it again, just see if anything comes back. Well, that's looking quite good. So we'll exit the program. And we'll go back inside the car and we'll see if it's cleared that engine light. Alright, we'll try again, see if it's... And it's cleared it for now. Obviously, if there's a problem it'll come back, but looks like I've cleared the codes. So that could well be a result, and we might be back on for MOT. Good news! The MOT is going to be back on. I've just been round to the garage and it's just gone 25 to 7 and it was still there working. So I've been to tell him I've cleared the fault codes and MOT's going to be back on for tomorrow. So this video was a bit of an unexpected one, but I managed to show you the radio aerial as well. So I'll wrap this one up. Please remember to like and subscribe, and comments and questions, you know how to put them as ever. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.